Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So the other day I went on this stunning little hike through this beautiful forest that we've got quite near where I stay. And just along the route I started collecting bits of bark and some moss. There were some little mushrooms and some other odds and ends. And I came home and I started playing. I dried them first. And then I started playing around with a coaster. I wanted to do something just with a slight forest theme. And after I had laid everything out, I still thought, oh man, I'm so silly. I should have really been recording it. So, because I also had some of the foliage left over, I decided I'm going to do another coaster and sort of keep it to the same look. So, I've mixed 35 grams of a 1-to-1 resin, and I'm adding some black mica powder to it to keep the backgrounds black. And what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to let the resin totally cure. So I want the resin still to be slightly sticky so that when I lay the foliage in, it's got something to adhere to. And when I pour my clear resin layer, nothing's going to float. So I've used my heat gun just to make sure that there's no bubbles there. And I'm just going to cover it and leave it for a few hours, just until it's kind of got a bit of a sticky feel to it. So the reason I wanted to actually do these foresty coasters is because some of that foliage is quite chunky. And there's always air that gets trapped underneath. So when you pour your layer of resin, you just get so many bubbles. And I've done it before and it was just horrible. So what I decided to do this time was pour in very thin layers. So I left these to set overnight. And they've set beautifully. I think they look very cute. And I've mixed 45 grams of resin here, and I'm pouring a very thin layer. So it's not even covering the foliage totally. And some of this foliage is quite high. But I'm not worried about that. I just want to pour very, very thin layers. And then I'm going to use my heat gun again just to go over it very slowly and make sure that there's no bubbles at all. And then, in fact, after I did this, I let it stand for 2 or 3 minutes and I used the heat gun again. I covered it and I left it overnight. And I'm now pouring my second layer. The first layer looked great. I didn't see any bubbles. And this is the second layer now. Now, there's definitely some pieces of the foliage that are going to be sticking out. But I'm not worried about that, and I'll show you why just now. And then once again, I went over with the heat gun. I've covered it, and I'm going to leave it to cure. Right, so this is cured. And I'm extremely happy. There's no air bubbles. It's really clear. But there is some little pieces of foliage that are sticking out above the resin. So what I've done is I've taken some sandpaper and I'm going to kind of use a circular motion, and I'm going to just sand until it's completely flat and the sandpaper will level the bits of foliage that was sticking out the resin, and it's totally flat now. So because when you do your top layer of resin, it always drips down and it somehow goes underneath. So what I do is I use just normal wood glue or craft glue, and I'm going to put a ring around the outside and right up to the edge. Just spread it out nicely so it really goes close to the edge, and I'm going to leave for a few hours and then that sets. It's now set and it kind of goes into like a transparent plasticky look to it. And it's now safe to pour my top layer, and my bottom, the bottom of the coaster is not going to be affected because any resin going there is going to go on top of the glue. And I'm just doing a quick clean with an alcohol swab, just so that there's no fine dust on there. And I've mixed really a little bit of resin. I think it was 25 grams, and I'm just doing a top coat. And it's beautiful and glossy and see-through, and it's just totally bubble free. So the 2 layers of resin really worked. And I did the same thing here. I just used my heat gun now and my torch, and I covered and I left it overnight, and this is the next day. And I'm extremely happy. They look gorgeous. There's no bubbles in them. Super clear. And that, you see how the resin clings onto the bottom? So I'm just going to pull that off and clean the bottom, and my coaster's done. I have taken a picture that's at the end here of what they look like outside. The color always seems to change when it's in natural light and in the sun. And I was extremely happy. It was just a fun little project. And it just kind of tells a story. But thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it.